Hello, Sandile. The girl is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Now that we have exited summer and properly entered autumn, I think it is time that I remove these guys here. By the way, even if we have not entered autumn, I would have had to remove them. As you can see here, these tomatoes, they got hit by some sort of a disease. I don't know what it's called, but I lost a lot of them. There is one there, and I kind of sort of like left them here in hope that the monkeys were going to eat them, but it seems even the monkeys don't want to eat them because I think they sick. I don't know what's the disease called or how to deal with it. However, but as you can see, if I may show you here, you can see this one, how it looks like, and you can see this one here. Let's pull it out so that you can see how it looks like here. So this patch here will spread all over the tomato. The tomato will look like a brownish and it will start rotting. So yeah, if any of you guys out there watching this video know how to deal with this, please let me know in the comment section. I would highly appreciate that because I hardly got tomatoes from these two plants here, as all the tomatoes got hit by this. I don't know whether it's fungi or what it is, but yeah, so we hardly got tomatoes. But beside that, I have to pull this out now. I'll probably leave the cabbages, the marigold, or the flowers, but all the tomato plants that are in this bed are coming out. All the bean plants are coming out. This lettuce, which has bolted and going to seed, it will come out as well. And I need to start putting peas here and other autumn crops that are doing well in autumn so that we keep the bed productive and active. But we'll have to replenish the soil. It does look good though. I can see a little bit dry, but it does look good. I think there's a lot of worms in here. So yeah, that's the update that I wanted to give you guys. That's what's happening.